Hey guys, today we gather 3 creative and delightful ideas that will bring a burst of flavor to your table. So without further ado, join us as we delve deeper into these great recipes. Our first recipe is a fusion of Korean and Mexican cuisine, Korean barbecue tacos. To make this dish, you will need 450 grams of roast beef steaks, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, half teaspoon of black pepper, 8 corn tortillas, 1 cup of shredded white cabbage, quarter cup of chopped green onions, quarter cup of chopped cilantro, 1 lime cut into wedges, and 16 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. First, to make the marinade, whisk together the soy sauce, sesame oil, honey, rice vinegar, garlic, ginger, and black pepper in a bowl. Add the beef and marinate for at least 30 minutes. Grill the beef for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, then slice it into the strips. Then warm the tortillas in a dry pan or on the grill. Top each tortilla with the beef, shredded cabbage, green onions, and cilantro. Serve it with a wedge of lime. Our next recipe is a breakfast taco that's perfect for any morning. To make this dish, you will need 4 large eggs, quarter cup of milk, salt and pepper to taste, 4 corn tortillas, 1 cup of shredded trapeze cheese, half cup of diced tomatoes, half cup of diced avocado, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, and 8 tablespoons of salsa. First, you need to mix eggs, milk, juice and pepper in a bowl, which is called scrambled eggs. Heat a large Teflon pan and pour in the egg mixture. Then bake until set. Next, divide the egg mixture into 4 parts with wooden spatula. Meanwhile, heat 4 tortillas in a second dry pan. Then place fried eggs on each, add grated trapeze cheese, sliced tomatoes, sliced avocado, chopped parsley, and 1 tablespoon of salsa sauce on each tortilla. And your breakfast tacos are ready to be served. Our last recipe is a healthier version of the classic fish taco. To make this dish, you will need 300 grams of fish hake fillets cleaned, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin, salt and pepper to taste, 4 corn tortillas, 1 cup of shredded red cabbage, 3 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 6 tablespoons of tomato salsa, and 1 lemon cut into wedges. Coat the fish with olive oil, chili powder, cumin, salt and pepper. Next, heat the pan to high heat and then place the fish and bake on each side for 1 to 2 minutes depending on the thickness. Place the fish on a plate and shred it. Heat the tortillas in a dry pan, place them on a plate, and place fish, red cabbage, parsley, salsa on each tortilla, and add lemon wedges. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss any future videos. And while you're here, why not check out some of our other videos? We've got tons of great content on this channel, so be sure to browse through and see what interests you. We value your feedback, so leave us a comment with your thoughts and ideas for future videos. Remember, every dish is an opportunity to ignite your creativity in the kitchen. Thanks again for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next flavorful journey. Goodbye.